Hello my dear craftswomen, I am Galina Cheremisina and today we are going to create with you something unusual, bright and attractive, crown or headband from molded beads. Wide range of beads as well as regular promotions and discounts you will always find in ScaraBeads.com shop. I made up such a bright mix of beads flowers of two sizes, green leaves and golden faceted beads. For the base of the headband we need a strong thick rubber band of the chosen color, a thin elastic band that goes through the whole of the beads, preferably of the same color as a rubber band, and also a lighter and scissors. Let's take a cut of a band base for the required length. The head grease with a small margin for tying the knots. Gently melt the rubber band with the lighter. We take a thin elastic band 4 times as long as the base. The middle of the thin elastic band we fix in the middle of the rubber band with a reef knot. We will work with each end separately. String onto the thin band a bead and place it along the base band. Wrap the thin band around the base and pull the end into the created loop. Carefully tighten the knot closer to the band. Flower bead we attach in the same way. Rub the base and pull the end through the loop. If during the work the end of the thread will dishevel, it is worth to simply cut it. You can melt the ends of the thin band as well, but it still should pass through the beads. Leaf beads have the hole on the end. In order to fix better the leaf, we do first knot around the base band and the second one around the leaf leg. Like that we continue to add bead by bead, creating the crown composition. With one end we weave one half and with the second another. Base band we tie with square knot, measure, control the length. Fill the headband with beads around this whole circle. Additionally, fix the end of the base band by making a few knots around the remaining tip and masking them with the bead. You can finish this project here. Fix the thread, cut off the extra, and melt the ends of the thin rubber band. In addition, you can decorate the headband with pendants by placing the band behind or near the face. For that, string seed beads on the rest of the ribbon in chosen order and fix them with the same thin elastic band on the right place. If you want bunch of pendants to be puffier, take additional cut of the thin elastic band, fix it with a reef knot near the band and arrange the pendants. Such a bright and unusual jewelry you have got! And what color combination will you choose? Find your inspiration on website ScaraBeads.com and see you soon again on our channel.